You know what used to frustrate me when I was learning art on YouTube? Every tutorial showed just one thing: how to draw an eye, how to shade, how to draw lips, but never the whole drawing. I would finish the video thinking, okay, but how does all this actually come together? I used to wish some experienced artists would just record the entire process, start to finish, so I could watch and really learn. Then it hit me. That's kind of paradox, isn't it? YouTube runs on short attention span, quick tips, fast view, 15-second reels. The chances of someone uploading a long, complex video just to help other artists, let's just say, rare than finding a pencil with sharpened tip when you actually need one. Maybe the god of art never meant for us to become content creator. Maybe they want us to fight the algorithm, to put art above everything else. So, here it is, my little act of rebellion, my tribute to what I love, art in its full honest process. I will start simple, just blocking out the big shape first, not worrying about the detail yet. Think of it like building a sculpture. You shape the clay before carving the face. Once I have the overall structure in place, I move to the mouth area. I divide it into parts and measure the lips carefully. The mouth is split into three equal sections, and the top third is where both the lips meet. The corner of the lips also line up with the eyes vertically, which helps me mark their position more accurately. From there, I move on to the nose and slowly start shading. I started by filling the entire shadow area with one even shade. Then slowly add the darker tone where they are needed the most. Doing the same in the light area gives the drawing a nice three-dimensional look. This sketch uses a limited value range, which gives it a more artistic, sculpted feel. If you keep adding more values, it will look more realistic. But personally, I love this clean, simplified style. Hope you learned something new today. If you did, hit that like button and keep watching for the next video.